Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, we have got you another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and check balance in Lebara Sim in UK. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as well any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the only thing that you have to do is you simply gonna go to your Play Store or App Store according to your device and simply type in my Lebara. Once you have tapped on it, you will find this particular search and app. Go ahead, install it. Once you have installed that app, it's gonna simply detect the SIM's information and simply access this particular interface. Once you have opened your app, you're gonna find it, right? Then afterwards, all you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom and then you will get this kind of interface which includes the option of my balance. Here in the section, you can simply be able to see your current balance just by installing the app and activating your SIM card. You don't have to do anything. You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on my balance, which is gonna show you your balance and how much you have. And then you will see this top up also in the bottom. You can tap on your top up option and you can top up however much amount you would like to your SIM card. So this is a simply way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.